Tired of wasting time on workouts that don't deliver? This full-body workout routine is everything you need in 2025 to build muscle, burn fat, and transform your fitness. Here's the deal. If you want to build muscle and burn fat, you don't need complicated plans or endless hours in the gym. What you need is a smart, simple, and effective full-body workout routine. And that's exactly what I'm sharing with you today. This workout hits every major muscle group, improves your strength, fires up your metabolism, and doesn't require fancy equipment, whether you're just starting your fitness journey or you're a seasoned lifter. This plan is designed to get you real results. We're kicking things off with the incline dumbbell press. This exercise targets your upper chest, which is often the most underdeveloped area for many people. The incline press not only gives you a fuller, more balanced chest, but studies also show it's just as effective as flat bench pressing for your mid-chest, while significantly outperforming it for upper chest growth. Start with your bench set to a slight incline, about 1 or 2 notches up. Lay back, keep your core engaged, and lower the dumbbells in an arrow shape toward your collarbone. Press them back up with control. Remember, don't go too steep with the incline. It shifts more of the work to your shoulders and takes focus away from your chest. Warm up with lighter sets to activate your muscles, then hit your 3 working sets with proper form. This move is a chest builder you can't skip. Next, let's hit your lower body with the barbell squat. This is the ultimate compound movement for building strength in your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and even your core. Squats also improve your mobility and balance, which translates to better performance in everyday life. Before you start your working sets, do a proper warm-up, a light set of 8 to 10 reps, then gradually add weight for 3 to 5 reps. When it's time to lift, focus on your form. Keep your chest up, your core tight, and lower your hips until your thighs are at least parallel to the ground. Drive back up through your heels. Here's a pro tip. If you struggle with depth or balance, elevate your heels on small plates. This simple tweak shifts the emphasis to your quads and helps you squat deeper without rounding your back. Now we're moving to your back with the dumbbell chest-supported row. This is a great way to isolate your mid and upper back muscles while protecting your lower back from strain. Set a bench to a 45-degree incline, lie chest down, and grab your dumbbells. As you row, angle your elbows slightly out in an arrow shape and focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top. At the bottom, fully stretch your back muscles to maximize the range of motion. If your biceps start taking over, lighten the weight and focus on pulling with your back. To push your gains even further, add 3 to 5 partial reps at the bottom of your last set to capitalize on the stretch, which is crucial for muscle growth. It's time to target your hamstrings with seated leg curls. Hamstrings are crucial for lower body strength and stability, and seated leg curls are especially effective because they stretch the hamstrings more than lying leg curls, leading to better muscle activation. Adjust the machine so your knees are aligned with the pivot point, and avoid fully locking out your legs at the top. Keep your reps controlled, and focus on the squeeze as you curl the weight toward you. If your gym only has lying leg curls, no worries. It's still a solid option for building hamstring strength. Here's a tip. If you feel your calves working more than your hamstrings, make sure you're not starting with fully straight legs. A slight bend at the knees can make all the difference. Let's work those shoulders with the overhead dumbbell press. This move targets your delts, traps, and triceps, while also engaging your core for stability. It's a great way to build upper body strength and improve posture. Hold a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder level, palms facing forward. Press the weights straight overhead, then lower them back down slowly. Keep your core braced to avoid arching your back. If you're a beginner, start with lighter weights or do this exercise seated for more control. If you want a challenge, try alternating presses where you lift one arm at a time to engage your core even more. To wrap up the routine, we're focusing on your core with planks. This simple yet powerful exercise builds core strength, stability, and endurance, all of which are essential for every other movement. Start with a basic forearm plank. Elbows under shoulders, body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds, or as long as you can while maintaining proper form. Want to level up? Try side planks, shoulder taps, or adding a weighted plate on your back. The goal here is to keep your core tight and avoid letting your hips sag or lift too high. Focus on quality over duration, and you'll see results fast. And that's it. the ultimate full-body workout routine for 2025. These 6 exercises hit every major muscle group, build functional strength, and torch calories in the process. Remember, consistency is the key to results. Perform this routine 3 to 4 times a week, track your progress, and push yourself to improve over time. Don't forget to stretch after your workout to reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery. Even just 5 to 10 minutes of stretching can make a huge difference in how you feel the next day. If this workout fired you up, hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness routines and tips. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about showing up, putting in the work, and enjoying the journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.